Nestled in the heart of the Gatineau Hills, in the charming village of Wakefield, Quebec, stands a symbol of resilience, the Wakefield Covered Bridge. Originally built in 1915, this wooden bridge connected the small farming communities on either side of the Gatineau River, carrying wagons, cars, and generations of villagers. For nearly 70 years it stood as a lifeline, until 1984, when a fire destroyed it in minutes, leaving nothing but charred timbers. The people of Wakefield refused to let their story end. Years of planning, fundraising, and craftsmanship, a new bridge rose from the ashes, completed in 1997. It blends tradition with strength, honoring the past while embracing the future. Today, the bridge no longer carries traffic, but welcomes pedestrians and cyclists. It is a living testament to community and perseverance.